So today our agenda will be that we'll be discussing about academia and market research, the two key pillars of research industry. Both are doing great job, but both are working isolated. So how we can bring them together and how we can make future ready research products, future ready innovations, and how we can help each other in order to excel in the research industry. That's going to be discussed today. By the way, there will be two parts of this particular series because it's a very huge topic. It needs extensive time. So we'll be covering one part today in which we will only discuss about the areas, and then we will deep dive technically in the next video.
That's how we play. Turning research into strategy every single day.
Hello everyone, Dr. Wakar Tariq here, and I welcome you all on our podcast, the new episode. With the hope that the peace will prevail in the world, as we know that the negotiations are ongoing, the things are on hold. So far, there is a ceasefire, and we're really looking forward that the things get back to normal very soon. Let's pray together for the peace of the world. Okay, so now let's move towards our topic. So our topic today will be covering academia and market research, the two key players of research industry, working isolatedly so far, both doing very great job, isolated, yet not connected in a sense that they are not doing some joint projects lately. Even though they are trying now. Things are changing because it's a requirement of the modern age. So let's discuss the issues, the key areas where we can actually help out each other. Means being a representative of market research industry and Central Force International, be the key player in market research. What we think about academia, the issues which they are lacking of for the time being, statistically where they are standing. I'm talking about academia, and technically and logistically where we can come to support them. So academia overall, actually, they are doing very great work. They are doing extensive work. They are doing a lot of work actually. They are publishing. The focus is on the publications of the work, and the focus is on more and more research. So actually, the research are in abundance, and out of that particular research, what are the outcomes coming up that are good, but not fulfilling the number which actually the modern era require. So where central force or where market research can come to the picture, we're going to discuss that today. So before I start that what actually market research or Central Force International can offer to the academia, let's see what actually academia is doing. So what academia is doing, they are actually producing quality research, quality innovation blueprints for the industry. Second thing is that they are making or they are preparing the future workforce, the future entrepreneurs, the futures, uh, actually the future oil of the industry they are producing at their end. So how we can dive down together, and then how we can see that we can help each other in these particular areas. So let's discuss about the research first. So in research, the main areas are starting from the data collection, or let's say that the discussion about the methodology itself, that the selection of the methodology, and from that selection of the methodology there comes data collection, then analysis, and then actually the it will lead towards the market penetration, market entry, and all that parts. So all these aspects, when our research is being done in academia, it is purely done on academic basis in order to get it being published, get it cited, and definitely their main interest or their main target is to make it impactful or make it, commercialize it, put it into the market so that it can be beneficial for the academia itself and for the society also. So where we can assist them or where we can work together, we can work together in data collection. We can work because we are expert in data collections. We have that particular logistics. We have the boots on ground. We have the people, we have the database, we have the respondents, we have the interviewers, trained interviewers who actually know how to do interview, a proper data collection interview, how it's being done. They know. We know how to make the questionnaires industrially. So we can assist, we can teach, we can aware this particular talent to the academia also. That's one part where we can come and we can work together. Second comes to the analysis part. So there are two ways of analysis. The scientific analysis, they are doing very well, and they are doing very good job. What about the market? So the market based or the market viable analysis, we can assist in that particular angle. We can come there, we can see what is the product, how the analysis or what are the data points which actually can help that particular research in order to be ready into and to enter the market, or whether it is viable to enter the market for that particular product. What is the existing threats for that particular product or that particular research into the market? So all these aspects we can cover very detailed and very in a quality way. So that's the second part, the analysis part. Then definitely, because we know the method, the marketing approaches, that how at a particular research, which later will be translated into a product, can be made ready in order to enter to the market. How we can track the health of that particular brand or research. Later on, we can help them to do so. Uh, so in research bracket, these are the services where we can work very closely together. So that's for the research part. For the workforce or the work pool, actually that is a very extensive area. We can discuss it very detailed. There are actually methods in which market research can help in order to understand the requirement of the industry, that what actually industry need in terms of the talent pool in of the future, and what actually the academia is producing. So we can actually bridge that particular gap. So we can be a part of the representative of the industry, but we can be the representative with the data itself. What are the requirements of the industry now? What are the live insights that what actually industry need from these people or this talent pool? We can assist in do so. We also can help them to train this particular pool of people as well. So talking about trainings, we cannot train each and everything to each and every person. So the talent pool which the academia is preparing right now, what exactly need to be trained to that particular person, how to know, how that behavioral pattern can be checked, how that learning pattern can be checked, and what is the impact of that particular learning. All these things we also can come here to assist. So there are different market research methodologies which actually will help the academia in order to assess their students, that okay, what kind of trainings are being provided to them, should be provided to them, and what will be the impact of those trainings. If you want to dig it in details, please do contact us so we can consult you in that particular area, and definitely from here we can start our partnership, we can extend our hand. So that's the part where is the training part covers. Then how we can come to the picture as an, what about joint exchange, joint research? We can do joint research together. We can do joint projects, PhDs. We can come as an industrial supervisors for the PhDs, for the masters or the research work which is being done both in masters and PhDs. So we can come to that particular picture as well. Uh, or some of the projects which actually we do, we can actually take the consultation of academia, and then we can work together in order to develop that particular research or product. So that's also one of the area where academia and market research industry can come and work together. So problems need research, and research should be of quality. So we can work together in order to fulfill this particular thing, this particular demand. I cannot actually sum up the whole offerings in a small video. Definitely, it need a extensive dialogue between the academia and market research industry. And being a representative of market research industry and Center Post International, I open this platform. I welcome all the academia representatives to please reach out to us. We can do some joint webinars in order, or we can do some dialogues on this particular issue or this particular topic. And then from there we can see, okay, what are the avenues of collaboration we can create together. So from this particular video, it's an open invitation to all the universities, colleges, research centers, think tanks, that okay, please come, join hands with us, and let's serve the research together. At the end, I would like you all again to support us, to subscribe us, like us, and to share our message. And then please keep on watching our CF Insight channel. There will be a second part coming, which will be the continuation of this first part. and then we will be digging deep into the technical aspects of the research which we can do together.
Turning research into strategy every single